Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily clean engine oil stains from concrete. I did a video that was really popular last year. It's got tons of views and a lot of comments of viewers suggesting other different methods that may work just as well. And I had these spots right here on my driveway from where I was greasing up the chain on my dirt bike. And so I thought this would be a great opportunity to try out the viewers' suggestions. And since these oil stains have been on the concrete for a couple of months now, I also wanted to try these viewer suggestions on some fresh oil stains. So I purposely got some used motor oil and put 10 different equal drops of oil down on the concrete. I'm going to test out these methods on old and new oil stains. So we'll be testing out Goof Off that's made for removing engine oil or oil stains from concrete. We're also going to test out Easy Off oven cleaner, which I've used a lot for different things like removing paint. I think it's going to do great. A lot of people said try Carb cleaner. I think that's just going to push the oil. Again, I did in the first video just regular oil dry, grinding it in, and then I'm also going to combine that with, I'm going to kind of grind it in, pour it on top, grind it in a little bit, and pour some gasoline on it to help suck the oil out of the concrete and into the oil dry. And then also I'm going to do the same thing with acetone. Then we're going to do just regular baking soda, which I think will surprise you guys how well it'll do, especially on the fresh oil, not so much probably on the old dried up oil. And then we're going to do a paste, mixing it with just regular water, and then mixing baking soda with simple green degreaser. So on the dried up oil stains, I've got them kind of blocked off here, marked off, and we have some reference points on the concrete as I'll show later, but we got each one labeled and we'll show the results of each one later on. And here are the fresh oil stains, and they had just been sitting for about 1 hour. So on the first spot, number one spot on the fresh oil stain, you just put Goof Off. Take that and just kind of spread it out, and then for best results you want to let that sit for as long as possible. Next up, we're going to try Carb cleaner. I think this is just going to spread the oil around. I don't think it's going to really do much. Next up, we're going to do Easy Off, which I think is going to do pretty good. So I'm going to apply it right there. That's the number 3 spot. Number 4 spot is just oil dry by itself, and I'm going to grind it in with my foot after I apply it. Again, this is the 4th spot on the fresh oil stain. Oil dry by itself, grind it in. Next up, on the 5th spot, also going to grind in some oil dry, but also pour gasoline. I don't recommend doing this. I'm a professional, don't do this at home. So we're going to grind it in really good again. Next up, we're going to do the same thing, but instead of gasoline, I'm going to use acetone. Again, I don't recommend doing this at home. Do not try this, but I'm just showing you the results, guys. I'm going to grind that oil dry in, pour some acetone on it, and the theory is that that's going to make the oil rise up into that oil dry, and I'm even going to put a little bit more. I did the gasoline as well. I'm just trying to be careful. And then this is just baking soda by itself. I'm going to pour some baking soda. And next up is baking soda mixed with water. It's a little thick right there, so I just want to get a good paste right here. And we're just going to let that sit. And then this is simple green baking soda, a paste mixed with a simple green degreaser. And then finally, Dawn dishwashing soap. And in the last video I tried this, but I applied it to the concrete wet, so everybody said apply it to the concrete dry and just let it sit and do its job. And I'm trying to keep this video as short as possible for you guys, so that's why I'm kind of rushing it here. I got 3 spots right here, Goof Off, on the dry oil stains. The next one I did Easy Off. I got it out of order from the other one. We did Easy Off on that 4th spot. 5th spot right here next to that crack in the driveway. I'm going to apply lots of carb cleaner because I got more space in between the oil stains. Right here, just going to do oil dry by itself, grind it in, And again, these are oil stains that have been on the concrete for about 2 months. Doing the same thing. I'm just trying to apply the gasoline to where it doesn't run and mix with the oil's other spots. And I'm going to do the same thing again. Put some more oil dry on top of it and grind it in. Trying to help it out as best as I can. And this was a viewer suggestion. Many viewers suggested doing that. Now I'm going to try it with acetone. It leaked into the other one just a little bit, but it won't matter. We'll see what the results are on that. Now in this next one, I forgot that I was doing Dawn. And so I'm going to go ahead and put Dawn right here. I forgot the label for Dawn, out of order. But we'll see how it performs on dry concrete right there. Next up, baking soda by itself. Going to grind it in with my foot. Now this one spot here, doing baking soda just mixed with water and just dabbing it in really good. And these last 2 spots here, doing baking soda mixed with simple green. Just want to get the spots covered up. So there they are. There's the fresh oil stains in the sun. It was about 111 degrees heat index today. And I'm going to let these sit for 24 hours. And then I'm just going to casually rinse it away with the pressure washer, not blasting it with the pressure washer. I'm going to be using a steel RE90, which isn't very strong. And I had some other oil spots. This is the next day. I went ahead and did some other spots with the Goof Off, because that was the winner of the last video. I think it's going to do really well again. And one thing about this pressure washer, it's a little electric pressure washer. It's only about 1800 PSI. It's not going to damage the concrete. And I'm sure there's other pressure washers that are a lot stronger. And I'm just kind of rinsing everything, rinsing the entire driveway as I get over to those oil stains. And that's a rust stain right there. I'll have to use something else on it. But as you can see, I'm just kind of casually rinsing it. Nothing, you could probably just use a regular water hose, but not really trying to use the pressure washer too much. But one thing I did notice with the baking soda, it really, was very hard to get off of the concrete. So as you can tell right now, some are doing a lot better than others. That pressure washer really took that one out pretty good. And here it is, just freshly after I've rinsed it, and we'll let the sun dry everything out, and then it'll be very noticeable. There's a reference point, that little white line right there. We'll compare. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it looks like that first spot that we did is already, you can't even really see it. That's the Goof Off one. So I think it's going to do the best. So that was the fresh oil stains. Up here at the top of the driveway was the dried up oil stains. Now this is a reference mark we'll reference later on in the video, but all these look a lot better. It looks like everything did a really good job. Just can barely see. It's kind of hard to see with the shade of the trees coming through there, but we'll be able to see it a lot better once this dries up in the heat today. And today was a heat index of 111, so, and it's going to get direct sunlight later on. We'll be able to see really well. All right guys, so it's been over 24 hours and I got some pretty interesting results I want to show you here. And it's some of these worked really well. I'm actually using my phone as a reference, and luckily we got some marks on the concrete in both situations where we can easily determine which was what. All right, so you see this little white mark on the concrete here? Right there, this is the one where I used oil dry only, okay? And we'll start from back here. We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The one with the Goof Off is completely gone. It's completely gone. Did you guys see that? This is the one where I sprayed with carb cleaner. I didn't have good hopes for that. It's great for removing oil, but not from concrete. It's just going to spread it out. The one where I used Easy Off actually did a lot better. Looks pretty good, did better than the carb cleaner. Goof Off still, I mean, it's just gone, that spot there. So this was oil dry by itself. This one was oil dry with gasoline, oil dry with acetone, and you can see they both performed equally not so well. This one is with, I'll have to look, let's see. That was with baking soda by itself. Baking soda would just mix with water. And here's what really did really well. Baking soda mixed with Simple Green. And then this was just Dawn by itself. All right, so I'm going to give Goof Off number 1 first place, Easy Off second place. Third place would be baking soda with Simple Green mixed in. There it is right there. Easy to see. So let's go up. Now this was the one with the oil that was only about an hour old. So now let's go up here to the top of the driveway and we're going to reference. We have some good reference points right here. This being a good reference point and that discoloration there being a good reference point. So there was 3 spots right here that I used the Goof Off. It's completely gone. And then in between there was a spot here right below that. And you could see this as in the reference. I'm going to put a screen up shot. This is where I used oven cleaner, the Easy Off oven cleaner. And it did really well. Both of those performed really well. So this is just a reference point and that's a reference point. All right, so we did really well right there. And then coming up here, right above this line on this spot is where I used carb cleaner. Didn't do so well at all. This is where I used oil dry by itself. Then these 2 spots are, one was gas, one was with acetone. I mean, I wouldn't recommend that. I don't think that's a good idea. And then these 2 spots, you can see I had originally X'd them out because I had forgot about doing Dawn, but did Dawn, didn't do any better than anything else, honestly. Better than the carb cleaner. But what's interesting is right here. So this one was with baking soda by itself. Then we had another one with baking soda with water, and then baking soda with Simple Green. And the baking soda with Simple Green definitely did way better than just baking soda with water or baking soda by itself. Still second. The reason I made this video and the first video was because I was just really impressed with how well that Goof Off worked. Highly recommend it. And don't confuse it with the other Goof Off. I'm sorry, you got Goo Gone. You might think it's the same stuff, but it's Goof Off concrete cleaner. And there's Goo Gone and all kinds of other stuff that you might think is the same thing. It's not. It's this right here in this bottle like that. So that's what I'm going to highly recommend. So easy. I want to say that was $13 or $14 for that bottle. I'll have just enough more to, and I did all these other spots. They're all gone. The other spots that I talked about, that I showed, there was another big one down here. It's completely gone. Completely gone. No sign of it. I mean, that's the best one right there. Fresh oil. That spot is gone completely. Very happy with it. Highly recommend it. So do me a favor, guys, if you like this type of content, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, like the video, hype the video, slide over on the comments, just slide if you're watching on your phone, hype the video, and this is just going to help you out with a lot of these are very hard, very annoying stains to get rid of in your concrete, and that is just so easy to use. Just apply it, walk away. It dries up to a nice, chalky, like baby powder type substance. and then you just rinse it off later on the next day. And the pressure washer I used was not a very strong one. It's the Steel RE90. I want to say it has like an 1800 PSI. And some comments in the other video were like, oh, it'll take away the concrete. It's not. There's no sign of it messing with the concrete. It's not strong enough. But yeah, I highly recommend that over any of the other things. And if you can't find that Goof Off, one, you can order it. Go use my Lowe's storefront link. That's one way you can help the channel. You can order it, have it shipped right to your door. That's how I did it. And that way, because none of the local store didn't have it, but there was one about 20 minutes away, and I just ordered it, and it was here the next morning. Had it delivered right to my door. But also, if you don't have that stuff, baking soda with Simple Green is the number two place. And number 3, I would give to Easy Off. So after the test, I went ahead and laid down another layer of Goof Off on the other stains that the other methods were not able to clean up, and it cleaned them up just fine. Perfect, all gone. So I hope this video helps you out if you have some hard stains you're trying to remove, oil stains from your concrete, and the Goof Off took out the remaining stains that the other methods didn't do. Great job. Easy to use, doesn't hurt the grass. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll have more videos like this coming soon.